In the given question, we write the data first. Resistance R equal to 3 ohms. Internal resistance R1 is equivalent to 3.5. R1, small r1, 3.5. Again internal resistance R2, 0.5 given. EMF of each cell is 2 volts. EMF of each cell is 2 volts. We finding what means terminal voltage. We find terminal voltage. Terminal voltage question mark. Formula for finding the total current. So I is equivalent to E by external resistance capital R and internal resistance R. E equivalent we can write as how many batteries are there? 2 batteries are there. These two are connected in series. So equivalent EMF is nothing but 2 E we can write. That means N into E, 2E we can write. Similarly, capital R and equivalent resistance is nothing but a small internal N. R means R1 plus R2 we can write. Now substitute I equal to N value is nothing but 2 cells are there and each one EMF is 2 by capital external resistance 3 ohm, internal resistance are 3.5 plus 0.5. By solving this one, we get as 4 by 7. 4 by 7 we get the current. Now we find the terminal voltage across VA. So terminal voltage. So terminal voltage means we consider the discharging of a cell. Formula VA is equivalent to E minus IR1. VA is equal to, we can write as E value. E value is nothing but 2 volts. Current is 4 by 7. Internal resistance is nothing but 3.5. 3.5 in 7 2 times is cancelled. Again 2 also both get cancelled. Then I is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 volts. Similarly, terminal voltage across VB. Terminal voltage across VB. So this is also discharging case. VB is equal to E minus IR2. That's we can write as VB is equal to, so VB equal to minus I means 4 by 7 into internal resistance 0.5. So VB is equal to 2 minus 4 by 7 into 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. We can make as 2 is common. 1 minus 1 by 7. By solving this one, VB is equal to half 6 by 7 we get. 2 half 6 by 7, that is 12 by 7. It is equal to 1.7 volts. It is equal to 1.7 volts.